Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify. So to do that on Shopify you have two options: the automatic connect, that's the easiest, or the manual DNS setup. So I'm going to show you on that video how to do the first method, right? So in your Shopify admin you will need to go to the settings right here on the bottom left corner or the last option on the left hand menu, and now you will need to go with the domains, okay, or the domains option. Yeah, and now you will need to go with connect existing option. Okay, so now just go to the GoDaddy here and then just log into your account when prompted and approve the connection. Okay, so before you will need to enter your domain here and connect your account as I told you and approve the connection, right? So Shopify will update the DNS records from or for you. So to get a domain from GoDaddy you will need just to type the domain you want right here. So for example I will go with YouTube tutorials.com for example, and go with search domains. And now you can get this domain for $0.01, right? So that's only for the first year, right? And you will pay $22.99 from the first year or the second year, right? So then just go and buy this domain, get it and pass it right here, next, and then just approve from your account. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.